Morning students, today we are going to learn addition of a whole number and a fraction. So rule first, if a whole number is to be added to a proper fraction, remember proper fraction, we write their sum as the mixed number in which the whole number is the integral part and the fraction is the fractional part. For example, 4 plus 3 upon 5. So we can write it, take the LCM, that is 5. So cross multiply it, 5 4s are 20 plus 3, and it becomes 23 upon 5, or equals to 4, right, 3 upon 5. You can see students, in starting the whole number was 4. So in the mixed fraction, here the whole part is also 4. And the fraction is 3 by 5, and here the fractional part is 3 by 5 in this mixed fraction. So the shortcut of this addition may be, I will take another example. Suppose that 2 plus 3 5. So we can directly write the answer 2, write 3 upon 5. Here it is your shortcut of this addition. Got my point? So while doing these much steps, you can write the answer directly. Rule number 2. If a whole number is to be added to an improper fraction, we write improper fraction as a mixed number, then fraction, and then add the whole number and the integral part of mixed fraction. Write this sum as the integral part of the sum and the fractional part of the mixed fraction as the fractional part of the sum. For example, 4 plus 21 upon 5. So first to take the LCM, that will be 5, cross multiply, it becomes 20 plus 21, and it becomes 41 upon 5, right? So now convert it into the mixed fraction. So 8, write 1 upon 5. That will be the answer, and the shortcut will be here 4 plus 21 upon 5. We can write the 21 upon 5 as a mixed number, that is 4, write 1 upon 5. We can also write it 4 plus 1 upon 5 as we have did in the previous example. There we have write the mixed into mixed number. So here mixed number can be fractionalized into whole number and fractional number. Now add the whole part, it becomes 8 plus 1 upon 5. Now we can write it as we have did in previous example. We can write it into the mixed fraction like 8, write 1 upon 5. So that is the easiest method, you can follow it. Friends, as I have told you, 2 plus 1 upon 5, so we can write it directly 2, write 1 upon 5, or 2 whole 1 upon 5. Similarly, if a mixed fraction is given, so we can directly write it into sum of whole number and fractional, that is 3 plus 1 upon 3. So keep this thing in your mind, that is very important for you. So it always help you in addition or subtraction of whole number to a fraction or the fractions to fraction. One more example we are going to take. For example, I am going to add 4, write 1 upon 2 plus 3, write 2 upon 3. 4, write 1 upon 2 plus 3, write 2 upon 3. So convert them first into the mixed fraction as the sum of whole number and the fraction. So we can write 4 write 1 upon 2 plus 3 plus 2 upon 3. So add the whole part together, means 4 plus 3 becomes 7 plus 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3. So now add the fractional part to the fractional part. Do not include the whole number in it. So take the LCM, it becomes 6. Now cross multiply and it becomes 3 plus 4. So here it will be 7 plus 7 upon 6. So convert this again into the mixed fraction. 7 plus 1 write 1 upon 6. This could be written in as the 7 plus 1 plus 1 upon 6. Now add the whole part together. So it becomes 8 plus 1 upon 6 and it becomes 8 write 1 upon 6. So here your answer.